But
have piles and piles of clothes here that we came back. Some of them came back from Nigeria with us, and some of them the ones who were wearing and beddings and everything. We've not been able to do laundry since we came back. I don't know how many times I'm going to wash this one in a washing machine, so I'm dedicating the whole of today for washing. The whole of today is going to be for washing. It's looking like that, but we need to sort them out first. This is actually my little laundry area. I don't like really doing it much there because it's not that spacious. So because of stains, I like to use hot water and stain remover for the kids' clothes and some white. These are the ones we came back from Nigeria, Mona's clothes. So, some of you asking me to take a little rest that I just got back from Nigeria, but I need to rest. Imagine I don't do all these things. Who will do the cleaning for me? And I actually don't consider it much work. It just cleaning my surrounding, you know. What are you doing? Yeah, in the bin. Don't put cookies on the floor, you know. These are from Mona's room, Mona's clothes. Oh dear. Mine are still here. You guys, I said I'm going to wash the whole of today. I'm going to do laundry the whole of today because everything in this suitcase looks dirty.
Mommy, what did you say? What did you say?
I said you're going to help me clean up.
Okay. What were you going to fold it?
We're just going to wash today. Maybe tomorrow we'll do folding. Let's go.
Nothing. Yeah.
Our signature wrapper need washing because we have a new one now. My mom gave me another wrapper. So we will have 2 wrappers now. So that when I wash this one, I use the other one. Let's go. Help me bring some of those ones.
You say that side?
Okay.
What are you looking at?
Getting the ones I will put in that.
start?
Yes. Is that yours?
No. No. I cannot. So hot.
This is the best way to make sure that your kids' clothes are clean.
Yes.
If you just pop into the washing machine, it's not gonna come out clean. Trust me.
Trust me too.
Trust us. You need to soak with detergent for at least 1 hour.
For 1 hour, don't touch it.
With hot water, detergent, and the clothes.
Heavy.
Ooh. By the time you pop into the washing machine, everything will come out sparkling clean.
Everywhere.
Yeah.
Like what's blue? I see brown because it's dirty.
Can see it?
Yes.
That's the work of the hot water.
Of the hot water.
To remove the dirt so quick. Let's pour more hot water on top.
Wow. Not so wet.
More hot water. Mama, don't touch it. It's okay now. You need to cover it. You can get me the cover in the. Good. The cover is there behind you. We leave it for 1 hour, then pop inside the washing machine, and it will come out sparkling clean.
More sparkly.
Yes. So while we wait for 1 hour, let's pop some of this in the washing machine. This one's don't need soaking.
Soaking. Why?
Because they are not white.
They're not white. What? Let's cook them instead. How's that picking up then? Sugar's always white.
Mama, use your hand to take it. Use your